My name is Felix. I'm a Danish TV host and car fanatic. I've been invited here to California to drive the new Vision AVTR. It's right in there in the hangar, and you're invited to come along to the future. This must be the control unit. I have 1,000 questions now. So maybe it's time to bring in the designers. Well, I'm here with...
And for me, I see Mercedes not really as a car brand. I see it as a leading luxury brand. In fact, we want to make it the most loved luxury brand. And projects like that with corporations from other fields bring us so much more inspiration that we can elevate what we do to a different level.
Can we drive?
Let's go and drive. Let's take it out for a spin.
And you haven't driven it before. It's
No.
your first time as well. Whoa.
Let's move it slightly forward, okay? We are rolling.
Yeah, but steering wheels are so last year.
So we can try crabbing mode a little bit. Whoa! So now the cool thing is, the co-driver can take over. So you have it, just try it. Oh, this is so cool.
So, Vera, you were the head designer, lead designer on the user experience of the car, right?
Yes, correct. I'm the Director of Advanced User Experience Design.
Exactly. That's you. So when I saw it the first time I saw it...
Also the haptic one and the acoustic one. And then let's go to Pandora.
Yeah.
Shall I close it?
Yeah.
Then we select the Benji, maybe.
Mm-hmm.
And you see how this gets pinkish. And now you look through the eyes of this Benji, you feel the heartbeat, and you see what the Benji would see. In this sense, this experience that the car is really starting approaching you with the interface is very new and unique, and it hasn't been done before.
Yeah, and then, at the same time, make it look as luxury as this is. This is the future of luxury.
I think you see how the interior design and the UX design here come together as a one whole art piece almost.
When you as a department think of stuff like this, then of course everything you think of isn't possible. So you have to have a meeting with somebody in a technical department that actually tells you whether this is possible. Actually the one who drew the lines for the Vision AVTR. Hi, Alex.
Hi.
So can you start by telling us how does a vision like this begins?
It was an internal competition where everyone can show their vision, how they see the car could look like. And right from the beginning, we were all sitting together and watching the movie, basically in the cinema. And while watching the movie, I did some scribbles and was thinking about how can I implement some shapes from the movie into the car.
And then you actually won the competition?
Yes, it was a long process. Internally, it's a competition, but in the...
Yeah. Because of these flaps that makes the car come alive. What's the story with these?
We have 33 flaps, and the main functions are aerodynamics, communication, and also the expression. Because the aerodynamics, the main idea to change a lot of surfaces, to change the aerodynamics in a way that you want to have it or you need it.
Mm-hmm.
And the second is the communication aspect. You're sitting in the car, driving it. You can show, the first time, you can show your intentions to the outside, whether you're accelerating,
Yeah.
you're braking, or you turn.
Yeah.
So everything will be manifested to the outside through the omnidirectional flaps. And the third is, because it's an artificial intelligence, it's like a living object, it also has emotions that can be expressed to the outside through the motion design.
What do you think it drives like?
I think it would drive like something that you've never been experiencing before. So crazy! I can imagine waking up in my bed now like, oh, what's just a dream.
Yeah.
Dude, that was amazing.
It really works. You drove your own car.
That was nice.